Namaste everyone and a very happy Diwali to you and your family. So these are the important questions of MSc Chemistry first semester which I am going to explain in this video. I know I am very late for these, but somehow I managed to upload this video for you. So these are the important questions of MSc Chemistry first semester. So इसमें all the papers जितने भी papers आपके MSc Chemistry first semester में होते हैं उसके सारे ही important questions मैंने यहाँ पे लिख रखे और जो questions हैं वो ज़्यादातर previous year आए हुए ही questions हैं. So question number first है write hard and soft acids and bases explain with suitable examples. And question number 2 है what is the Huckel rule? Explain the rule taking tropane as an example. Question number 3 says discuss mechanism and applications of Sandmeyer reaction. Question number 4 says what are bridgehead radicals? Give example. And these are the long and short questions. It is a mix up of all these type of questions: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. If you have a paper like a spectroscopy, spectrochemistry, right? So all the questions are here. Okay. And the question number 5th says discuss the octant rule for ketone. And question number 6 says explain eigenfunction and eigenvalues. Then question number 7 says question number 7 says write a short note on variation principle अगर आपने पढ़ रखा होगा तो आपको पता होगा. Then question number 8 says describe theory of homogeneous catalysis. Then describe Arrhenius equation. Question number 9 says question number 10 which is a very important question, इसको तो बिल्कुल लीव मत कीजिएगा. explain Vesper model in brief. इसके Vesper model पूछ लेंगे या postulates पूछ लेंगे या आपसे पूछते कि write a short note on Vesper model. So firstly you must know the full form of Vesper WSEPR Vesper model. Then draw MO, molecular orbital diagram of benzene molecule, MO, which means molecular orbital diagram. Then question number 12 says draw the structure of Fe2CO9. Okay. Question number 13 has two parts. Explain the following. First is natural line width and second is intensity of spectral lines. Then question number 14 says explain Frank Cordon principle. Then question number 15 explain theory of microwave spectroscopy. If you have a paper like spectroscopy, then you must know this question. Explain. Question number 16 says explain in short polarization emission. ये पोलराइजेशन पूछ सकते हैं और ये कुछ अच्छे अच्छे टॉपिक्स हैं जो कि आपको पता होने चाहिए. अगर आप इतना भी कर लेते तो आपके एमएससी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाएंगे. केमिस्ट्री की मैं बात करी और दीज आर दी ओवरऑल क्वेश्चंस. You don't need to move for the another paper to another video. This is the video in which you can get the all the important questions, either organic or inorganic chemistry or whatever chemistry you have. Then question number 17 says explain theory of Raman effect. ये शायद से क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आता है कि एक्सप्लेन मैजिकल थ्योरी ऑफ रमन इफेक्ट. तो मैजिकल थ्योरी या रमन इफेक्ट करके कुछ भी आता है तो आप लिख सकते हैं. एक्सप्लेन इंटरनल कन्वर्जन एंड वेक्टर कपलिंग. Explain internal conversion vector coupling. This is the important question. Question number 19 says explain delocalized chemical bond. Then this is delocalized chemical bond. Question number 20 says describe the Hammett equation. So these are the important questions. These are the 20, but it's still not enough. Or if you have the unsolved paper, if you have the previous year question paper, you can analyze all the questions from there also, because in BSc MSc most of the 70% questions are repeated in the examination. So firstly prepare 70% part and then go to the rest of the part if you have time. Okay, and these are the important questions, and for the clear picture of these you can join the Telegram channel Mathematics Inquiry. Over there the complete picture of this important questions I'll upload. Okay, thank you and a very happy Diwali to everyone.